Hey there! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to analyze the watch time report on YouTube on your Android device. The watch time report is a great way to track your channel's performance and see how viewers are engaging with your content. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Firstly, make sure that you have the YouTube app installed on your Android smartphone. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Google Play Store and search for YouTube. Once you find the app, download and install it on your device. Step 2. Access your channel at the top right of the app, tap on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select your channel. Step 3. Access analytics from the middle menu. Tap on Analytics to access your channel's analytics data. Step 4. Find the watch time report, scroll down until you see the watch time report section. Here, you can see a detailed breakdown of how much time viewers are spending watching your videos. Note, the report will only show you the previous 28-day analysis. Analyzing the watch time report on YouTube on your Android device is a great way to track your channel's performance and see how viewers are engaging with your content. You can use this information to make improvements and optimize your content for better engagement. The watch time report section provides a range of data, including total watch time, average view duration, and audience retention. This data can help you understand how viewers are interacting with your videos and where they may be losing interest. By analyzing the watch time report regularly, you can identify patterns and trends in your viewers' behavior. You can then use this information to create more engaging content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. So, give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.